This is Shubhil speaking. Kiran, we have been dealing with exercise 10.3, which is over, and we are going to start a very new exercise, that is exercise 10.4, in which there are three questions. We'll be discussing about those three questions in this particular video. So we'll start from question number 1. The question number 1 is about construct triangle ABC. We'll construct a triangle ABC in which the measures of A is given 60 degree. The measure of angle B is given 30 degree, and AB a line segment is 5.8 centimeter. This is AB measuring 5.8 centimeter. All right, now. So here in this particular video, we will learn how to construct an angle, and as well as we'll come to know the bisection of angle. So children, the very first thing that we need to do is we will draw a line segment first. So we'll draw a line segment of measuring more than 5.8 centimeter. So right now, so we will take the measure of 5.8 with compasses. We'll place at this point and we'll give one arc. So this is A and this is B. What I did, I just copied measure AB. I placed at E and gave one arc. This is AB. Now, from A, I'll construct a 60 degree. Children, we know how to construct 60 degree. It's very easy. We'll take a compass with any measure. We'll just place at A and we'll give one arc. We'll place at A and we'll give one arc with any measure. Now do not change the measure of the compasses. I repeat, with any measure, place at A and draw one arc. Do not change the measure of compasses. Place at this point and give one arc. Give one arc with any measure. Now place at this point and give one arc. Join them. The angle which you have formed, this is 60 degree. The measure of this angle is 60 degree. Now, from B, I have to draw 30 degree. So children, there is no direct way to construct 30 degree with compasses. So what we need to do is, we'll first construct 60 degree, then we will bisect 60, or we will go for angle bisection of 60 degree. We will be able to construct, we will be able to get 30 degree from there. So what is my first job to do is, children, so I'll just make 60 degree first. I'll just make 60 degree. So I'll place at B, I'll give one arc. Okay, with the same measure, place at this point and give one arc. Now join with dotted lines. Why with dotted lines? Because we do not need 60. The angle which I have formed right now, this is 60 degree, but I do not need 60. I want 30. I need 30. That's why I have given dotted lines, just in order to make, just to identify up to which place, up to which point this 60 degree is existing, just in order to find that. Now take your compass with any measure. This is 60 degree, children. I repeat, I have drawn 60 degree at B, but I need 30. So we'll just take a compass with any measure. I'll place at this point. With my compass, I'll place at this point. I'll give one arc. I'll place at this point and I'll just give one arc. Now with the same measure, from which I gave one arc over here, with the same measure, I'll place at this point. I'll place at this point and I'll just give one arc like this. This is called angle bisection. I'll take my compass with any measure. I'll place here. I'll give one arc. With the very same measure, I'll place here and I'll just give another arc. Now I'll just join this. This is 30 degree, children. This is 30 degree. Now we'll just extend this line up to this much so that it can intersect with each other. These two line segments intersect with each other. Now extend it. Here, this is ABC, children. This is ABC. Now ABC construction is done. I got my triangle in which ABC is done. I believe it's clear to everyone. Yes or no? If there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. In the next video, I'll discuss about question number 2 and question number 3. Till then, thank you so much, children.